Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Fast 5 Dollar Tree haul for you all. I found some new items, so let's jump in and see what I found. So the first item that I found that I thought was so cute for Easter were these little seashell Easter eggs. They're just so darn cute. They definitely did not have these last year, so I had to pick them up because they're mermaid-ish, and I think my daughter's just gonna love them. So very, very cute. I was really excited to find those. To go along with that mermaid theme, General Mills has out their mermaid cereal. So I picked up a box of this for my daughter. She never eats this cereal for breakfast. She always has it like in a little bag or cup as a snack in the afternoon. So I thought this would be kind of fun. So we'll give that a try. Let's see, for her Easter basket, I did find the Barbie clothes. So I picked up one of these. She's gonna love it. She only has one Barbie right now. She's 3, she only has one Barbie and one outfit. So this will go in her Easter basket, and I'm sure she's gonna love it. This one is the nurse, I believe. So it's really cute, or doctor, I don't know, but it's little scrubs and a little stethoscope. So I thought that was really, really cute. Actually, doesn't even say what it is, but they had a few. They had like a soccer player, they had a pizza maker, a bunch of different stuff, all careers. So I thought they were really, really cute, and for $1 you can't beat it. So picked that up for her Easter basket. I also found some new bows out. This one, I could not find others. I'm sure they probably have them or will have them. But this is so cute, and it's kind of like got foam in it, and it's a little sparkly clip. I don't love that it's got the fabric covered clip on the back just because they don't hold as well, but it was too cute, so I had to pick it up. And these big bows I absolutely love. I've purchased every color that I can find, and now they've come out with the kind of like glittery ones, and this one's in this blue. And I also picked one up in black, and these do have the metal alligator clips, so these hold really, really well, and they're such a great size. So I picked up the black and the blue for my daughter. They also had new snap clips, and you get 6. These are the jumbo size clips. These are a really great size. I believe they also had matching scrunchies to go with these. I didn't get the scrunchies, but my daughter will definitely wear these big clips. So I picked up 2 packs of that because I'm sure we will lose them in no time. Something that I buy all the time, and I've talked about it in hauls way back when, and my faves and fails. These are the Ultra Shine 10-pack dish detergent packs. I absolutely love these things. They work fantastic in my dishwasher. I have no residue or issues with them. So for $1, you really can't beat it to get 10 of them. So I needed some more of those, so I picked that up. This was just kind of for me as a snack because I absolutely love sesame sticks. And when I saw these Crunchy Cravings sesame chips in honey roasted, it says no MSG, artificial colors or flavors. I had to pick them up, like so good. So of course I already ate a bag, and they're delicious. And they actually only had 3 grams of sugar, which wasn't as bad as I thought they were going to be. So they were really good. So I had to buy those. And let's see, some more educational stuff I found, which was really exciting. These are the Teaching Tree educational resources. And these, I think they're supposed to be like headers and things maybe for classrooms, but I use the pieces to teach my daughter, kind of as like fun big flashcards. But they had this one. This is the shapes, and you get all of the shapes here. It spells them out, and it has the shape and then like a little character on each shape. So actually I'm gonna open one of these up so you can kind of understand what I'm saying. So you get this header, right, that says shapes. I get rid of that, we don't need that. What we do want, and you can laminate these so that they last. I've laminated most of the ones that I bought, and they're great. So like this one is a square, and it's got a little elephant on it. The oval, a little giraffe, diamond for the monkey. These are awesome. Check out the teaching section. You can't beat it for $1. So I picked up that one with the shapes. I picked up the one with the numbers, and this is 1 through 10. So cute. It's all like desserts. So it's ice cream, pies, donuts, candy, cookies, ice cream, you name it, it's there. So yeah, picked one of those up. And then the last one is colors, and this is the rainbow, and then you get the raindrops are actually the colors. And the last item that I found, not that exciting, but it kind of was if you have a baby at home. So these are these, this is by Baby King, and this is a suction-based bottle brush with nipple cleaner. So they have a ton of bottle brushes at Dollar Tree, and most of them are crappy or not that great. But I was intrigued because I actually have one that's very similar to this, but my problem is I have nowhere to put this thing. I have one of those Boone drying racks, so I usually like shove it in there, but it's so long, sometimes it like falls over. So this actually has the little suction cup stand for it, which is fantastic. So I'm actually gonna open this and see what it looks like, because it says there's the nipple cleaner is inside the suction cup. So let's see. Okay. So already I can tell that this is much better quality than the ones that I purchased before. This sponge is a lot more dense than, you know, some of them that they've had. These bristles are also a bit firmer. The handle is nice, it's plastic, and then it's got this little stand. And sure enough, so instead of bristles, they've used the end of this and has little like ridges, so you can kind of like clean out the inside of the nipples, which is perfect. And then the little, it's like a little silicone stand. So, and it sticks. It sticks. So that is awesome. I was actually really excited to find this. I think it came in 1 or 2 other colors as well. So if you have a baby at home and you are scrubbing bottles all day long, yeah, for $1, I would definitely check this out. So that is everything from my haul, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye.